Hi everyone. I was asked to demonstrate the cast on that I was experimenting with in a recent shawl tutorial video that I made. And so I thought I would do that here today. Here's the hem of a summery tank top I'm working on, and it is a stretchy cast on. I really enjoy it. It looks really nice too. So I'm just going to demonstrate that for you. What we're going to do is start with a slip knot. And here's where things will get interesting. So we've got the working yarn on the right side, the tail here on the left side. And what you're going to want to do is just grab the tail end, just grab it like this. Turn your hand over so that you've got a strand between your thumb and your index finger and the strand coming from around your thumb that leads to the slip knot. And you're going to want to pick up this strand that's on top of your thumb. And I use my other fingers to grab the working part of the yarn and just swing it over on top of the needle. And then we're going to rotate back so that our needle comes through the loop by our thumb. So just kind of draw, if you can imagine, drawing a line up your thumb. And we'll let that loop go and tighten down, tighten up both strands here. So you've got 2 stitches. Let's do that again. This is the tail end. We've got the working end over here. We're going to grab the yarn, rotate, pick up that strand of yarn that's above our thumb, use our fingers to grab the working part of the yarn, rotate around so it's over our needle, and then draw the needle under that loop and up the thumb, and let it go and tighten both ends. We'll do that again. And it'll get faster once you get used to it. Over the needle, through this loop, up the thumb, tighten it down. Just like that. And that's all there is to it. You just keep doing that until you have as many stitches as you need. And that's it.